morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great pleasure that I, Jesna, on behalf of the Department of PG Biotechnology, extend a warm welcome to one and all present here. We are delighted to have you here today at this significant seminar on workshop on intellectual property rights, organized by the Department of PG Research and Studies in Biotechnology, in association with the Office of the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks, Government of India. IPR stands for Intellectual Property Rights. It refers to the legal rights given to the creators of intellectual property. Several types of intellectual property rights exist, including patents, trademarks, copyrights, trade secrets, and industrial design rights. Patents protect inventions and new discoveries, while trademarks protect logos, brand names, and slogans. Copyrights, on the other hand, protect original works of authorship, such as books, music, and software. Trade secrets refers to confidential information that companies keep secret from their competitors. And industrial design rights protect the unique appearance of industrial products. IPR is important because it gives the creators the right to control and profit from their creations. It also encourages research and development, innovation, and creativity. I now request the dignitaries to occupy their seats on the dais. Today we have with us Dr. Ronald Nazareth, the esteemed director of the LCRI block and the International and Domestic Relations. He is a great inspiration to all of us, guiding us and encouraging us to do our best. Sir, I now request you to formally welcome the gathering.
Honorable President of the Programs and the Coordinator of Research, Director of Research, Reverend Dr. Melvin Dikonna, the Resource Person of the Day, Dr. Babita Pais Tarapan, the Head of the Department of Biotechnology, Dr. Srilata Swarna, Coordinator, Dr. Digi George, the faculty members, and my dear student friends. At Loyola Center of Research and Innovation, we are very happy to host this seminar organized by the Department of Biotechnology in association with the Office of the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademark, Government of India. It is an honor for me to stand before you and address this as a welcome. In the digital age where the knowledge and innovation are the keywords, understanding the power of intellectual property is of extreme importance. In our college at Loyola Center for Research and Innovation, we call upon the student to actively involve themselves in research. At a postgraduate level, all students have the potential to be the creators of groundbreaking ideas, innovation, and discoveries. But many times our student research will go up to the research project, sometime in the manuscript level, but rarely we see it is getting converted into the patents. And to transform this research innovation into patents, one must understand the process of IPR. Too often, the lack of knowledge becomes a major block in preventing us from converting the innovative research which we do into the patents. And therefore, to take us through the process of IPR, we have today with us Dr. Babita Pais Tarapan. Dr. Babita is not only an IP consultant and registered patent trademark, but she is also an old student of our very same college. She pursued her undergraduate studies here in the biological sciences as a core subject. It is indeed a heartwarming moment when our own alumni is coming back to the alma mater and ready to share their wisdom and inspire the next generation. And my dear friends, this we consider is the tradition at St. Aloysius College, a tradition of nurturing and passing the knowledge to shape the future. And it is a great privilege and honor to all of us, madam, that you are with us to guide and inspire these young aspiring scientists. A hearty welcome to you to this program. And I request Director of Research for the Melvin Dikonna to give a green welcome to our chief guest. I would like to take this opportunity to extend a heartfelt welcome to our beloved Director of Research, Reverend Dr. Melvin Dikunna, who has been an innovator and instrumental in bringing the wave of research and innovation in our campus. Thank you, Father, for guiding in the path of innovation. Welcome to you to this program. The leadership for this program is taken by the Department of Biotechnology, and the Department of Biotechnology has made a remarkable pace in the research and has become a role model for research in the college. A warm welcome to the leader of the team, head of the Department of Biotechnology, Dr. Silvita Swarna, for this program. This program is meticulously planned by the coordinator, Dr. Gigi George. Hearty welcome to you for this program. We have with us the dedicated faculty members of the various Department of Science of our LCRI block, and they are involving themselves in active research, guiding the student for the research project. And this will be a wonderful opportunity for all of us to have the extended idea of IPR today. Hearty welcome to all the faculty members for this program. Welcome to all the MSc students of our college. You are the direct beneficiaries of this program. Together, let us board this journey of enlightenment in the world of intellectual property right, guided by our own expert. Hearty welcome to all the students for the program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for addressing the audience. I now call upon Dr. Gigi George, faculty member of the Department of PG Biotechnology, to formally introduce the resource person of today's event.
Respected dignitaries, faculty members, and my dear students, it is a privilege and honor to introduce Dr. Babita Payastarapan, the resource person of today's seminar and workshop on IPR and patent. She is a distinguished professional with a wealth of experience and expertise in the field of intellectual property rights. Dr. Babita has not only carved a remarkable career for herself, but also has significantly contributed to the realm of IPR in India. Dr. Babita holds a PhD and is an accomplished IPR consultant, and she is a registered patent design and trademark agent with the Indian Patent Office and a visiting faculty member at select institutions. Her commitment to education is evident through her teaching of IPR course material to undergraduate and postgraduate students in biotechnology and engineering. Her deep involvement in the IPR landscape is further highlighted by her roles as a registered startup IP facilitator under the Startup India scheme. With over 14 years of expertise in the IP domain, Dr. Babita has built an extensive and diverse clientele. Her accomplishments include the successful registration of more than 500 trademarks and filing of more than 50 patents, spanning across a wide range of domains, including physics, biomedical, medical electronics, food processing, etc., in addition to handling copyrights and design applications. Beyond her academic accomplishments, Dr. Babita has honored with a series of prestigious awards. In 2021, Dr. Babita received a citation as one of the most successful women scientists in 100 Success Stories of Women Scientists scheme by the Patent Facilitating Center, TIFAC, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. In 2008, she was granted the Women Scientist Scheme Award by the same institution for her dedication to the field. Furthermore, she is a recipient of Senior Research Fellowship Extended Award, Senior Research Fellowship Award, and Junior Research Fellowship Award from the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Apart from all these, she has published 10 research papers in various reputed journals. We are honored to have Dr. Babita Payastarapan is our esteemed resource person for today's seminar. Her insights are sure to enhance our understanding of intellectual property rights.
We have amongst us Reverend Dr. Melvin Dikunna SJ, a faculty member of PG Biotechnology, as well as the director of Research and Development Cell of our college. He is a passionate teacher who is always enthusiastic about sharing his knowledge to others. I request you, Father, to address the gathering.
Good morning to all of you. I'm here only to wish all the best for the IPR program. Multiple people have prepared for this particular program. What is important for us as students and faculty members to put into practice whatever we learn, otherwise it will remain like a plant in the plastic as such. If it is not getting rooted in the soil and branching out, it will be a useless kind of plant. So I would like to wish the resource person, Dr. Babita, she has been passionate about this subject. We already formulated a IPR cell in the college. Also, policy also is there. And she has suggested whether we can apply for various funding agencies also, which is a very positive sign. And research takes place only when you have got a desire, when you have got the ideas, and how to express our ideas, maybe through publications or through these patents. So I'm sure that all of you will take interest in this. And in the afternoon, from the different departments, those who are interested, we are going to have a workshop also for a small selected people in the afternoon. But in case you are interested, tell your HODs so that it becomes very easy for us. Already they may have selected, so you can communicate so that we have maybe 50 or 60 people will have a chance for a hands-on experience. Others also, in case you are interested, we can think of in the future also. So I would like to wish you all the best. Have a pleasant day. Thank you.
As we come to the end of the inaugural session, I would like to call upon Ms. Devika to express our gratitude to the dignitaries on the dais and the audience.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude and appreciation as we draw the curtains on this inaugural session. It is my privilege to express my gratitude on behalf of the Department of PG Biotechnology to all those who have made this event possible. First and foremost, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to our distinguished speaker, Dr. Babita Payas Tharapan, and I would like to also extend my gratitude to Dr. Ronald Nasrat, the director of LCRI, and Dr. Sri Lalita Subarna, the HOD of PG Biotechnology, and the other faculty members of the PG Biotechnology, Dr. Asha Abraham, Dr. Gigi Sir, Dr. Santosh Govias, and Father Melvin Dikuna, and Dr. Dipti D'Souza, and the other volunteers who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the smooth operation of this session. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all of you, the audience of to attend the PG Biotechnology session, for your enthusiasm, attention, and eagerness to learn. Your presence here today have made this session a vibrant and dynamic gathering of minds. This session would be more enriching with your presence and participation. As we leave this hall, and let us carry with us the knowledge, insights, and inspiration that we have gained from the session. And I would also thank you all once again and have a wonderful session ahead.